This video is made possible by our loyal Patreon supporters. Visit patreon.com/Psychetruth.
Hi, I'm Chelsea, and for today's quick fit video, we're gonna focus on that chest and armpit area. As a trainer, I get asked so much about this little area right here. And aesthetically, yes, we want it to be nice and toned, but also functionally, it's great to be strong in your upper body and shoulder area. For today's exercise, you will not need any equipment, but feel free to add some weights in there if you choose to get it a little bit more intense. Okay, our first exercise, we're gonna take our arms into 90, press the palms together, and from here, just lift up and down, staying in this position, really squeezing those muscles together. Here is where you can add the weights or use that friction between the hands and press it up. All right, and here we go. Beautiful. Whew, shake it out. Let's make our way down onto the ground. All right, for this one, we're gonna come into a little diamond push-up. So our pointer fingers and our thumbs are facing each other. We'll come down to the chest, press it away, and then take it into a nice wide push-up. So we're just alternating between the two. You don't have to come all the way down to the chest, but get it to a nice 90. All right, here we go. Okay, go ahead and stay down here. We'll drop to those forearms, push up into that plank, keep that booty low, and we slowly walk those feet back. Feel that burn in that armpit area, and then walk it forward. So just moving in this little range of motion. Okay, here we go. Okay, woo, we are almost there. We've got man makers next. So we're gonna come back onto those hands, push up into that plank position. Option here to do a push up or just bring it up for a nice row each side. Jump it forward, reach those arms all the way up, back down, jump it back and begin again. So row, row, jump it forward, arms come all the way up, all the way back down. Okay, here we go. Go ahead and stay down for our last exercise. We are going to embody the monkey. So, staying nice and low, we'll take our hands over to the side, bring our hips up, and send the hips up and over. So again, hands come down, we jump it up and move. That outside leg is coming up first. So just back and forth, have fun with it. Here we go. Thank you so much for joining me for this exercise. Again, if you do have time, feel free to try one of my other quick fit videos. Be sure to subscribe, and I can't wait to work out with you again. Be sure to subscribe and click the notification bell so you never miss my workout.
And if you haven't already, follow us on social media for tips, tutorials, giveaways, and daily inspiration.
Wellness Plus is available on Amazon, which you can stream from your home on your phone, tablet, or TV. Join Wellness Plus today and get your first 7 days free.
Join us for 14 and 30-day programs, hour-long classes, and much more on our yoga app, Yoga Plus by Psychetruth. It's free to download and features a variety of wellness content, including yoga, fitness, Pilates, guided meditations, and interviews with dozens of wellness experts. Start your 14-day free trial today by clicking the link below.